Hello YouTube. Today we are making a bike rack for the MR2.
Matty's making
a bike rack for the MR2. You know, I would, but I don't want to, you know.
Don't want to show me.
I don't want to show Matty's mechanic skills up.
Explain why we've deleted.
Well, we've deleted the grill because...
Yeah.
So the grill... That's upside down, mate.
That's the wrong one. That goes through.
That goes in there, but because we're going to weld this bar onto it for the bike rack, it's not going to fit.
It's just not going to have enough.
And over there is the world's most reliable car that didn't break down 5 times on the way to Leeds.
Could be worse.
Fixing it, however. Fixing it, however. That makes no sense.
However.
Fixing it. I'm really bad at YouTube. Look at that. Look at that. Smooth. Smooth. That is screaming badness, really, isn't it? That is screaming badness.
Yeah, not bad. New panel.
Look, he's even got a crash helmet in there for when he crashes.
Yeah.
And
for next time.
For next time.
But this is never coming off again. That's how well it's been put.
Ooh. You ruined my cinematic thing. You've ruined it. You're up there in the top 1% of people.
Oh, I need the way of clamping it on there. I'm going to use a clamp.
See? Helping hand. Yeah, pretty lined up.
Tell you what.
So we've just clamped the tow hook onto the rod, ready for welding. It's on fire. No, it's not. Found a tactic for not getting blinded. You just look at it in the reflection of Matty's tinted window. Call me a genius or what? So whilst Matty, oh here he is. Whilst Matty is doing the welding, I'm going to try and polish the headlights because they're looking a bit sad, to be fair. So I'm going to get a drill on it. Matty's doing it now. Look at that.
Good as new, mate, already.
What a lucky friend I am to have this guy. But he's just doing everything. Polish. Oh, there it is. Right, here's the before and the after.
Brand new.
Look at that. Restored. It's alright. Right, I'm going to do the other one now, and it's probably not going to be as good as that because Matty's just good at it.
You can probably take longer to rush that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he rushed that. Yeah. So Matty's finished the first of the 2 rods just down there. It's now screwed in. You can see what I mean of how it would clip the grill if we didn't take it off. It's pretty solid. And Matty's it's been tested.
That is like strong as fuck.
We've just finished doing the headlights pretty much. Looking way better. And Matty's E36 is still thirsty.
It's still thirsty. It's got black stuff in the coolant. We put in, I think about like 7 or 8 litres in Leeds, like when we stopped with that Chinese.
So that's like 4 or 5 of those bottles.
Yeah.
It's a thirsty car. All the way back home from Leeds without it breaking down.
I can't even make it here without it over here.
It's not ideal.
20-minute job.
I went back early from Leeds because I had an extra job, which turned out to be not on anyway, so I could have stayed. But that's the way.
Really?
That's the way it goes sometimes. But it meant I could do some more training, which is good for the stunt journey. Look at that, headlights like new. Second one is in, kind of.
Kind of.
So you can kind of see what I'm saying now. You can kind of see what I'm saying now.
I can see what you're saying.
Yeah. So the bike rack will go across there, and obviously there'll be a bike on it. And I don't know, maybe we'll put like another bar across so I can put the number plate after the bike, because obviously it might be slightly illegal not showing your number plate. I'm not sure how legal this is actually, but it's fine. We'll just go with it. There's no boot in MR2 obviously because the engine's in the back, so this is the storage. In a digger. That's better. So what we got to do is move all this gravel. Actually no, not all of it, but some of it. Off he goes. This thing is so slow. Dylan has got us in this weird contraption and we're going to do some round-off flicks. And I forgot my camera, so we're going to film on the phone.
Yeah, so sorry about the poor quality. So the question is, do we try it today by ourselves?
Ooh,
Or is that a next episode thing?
like, and I will. It's surprisingly, it's more scary without that thing.
I panicked, my fault. That means you gotta go again.
So just landed my first round off flick, which is, I'm so stoked about it. That's a move I've been like really scared of for the last, I don't know how many months. All thanks to Dylan and his amazing coaching. Dylan's now gone off to coach somebody else, Traitor. And we're gonna do some bar now. So far, really, really good session. I'm well stoked. We're gonna use this toy tractor as a stand for my phone. I think I'll be able to get one clip before my battery dies. Absolutely dead. So just got back from gymnastics, really good session. I'm so stoked I've got the round off flick. We're back on the proper camera because my phone actually ran out of battery. I'm just about to have some food because I'm absolutely starving. Luckily I don't have to cook tonight because my amazing grandma has made some food, luckily. Pretty hyped about that. Forgot to reheat it using the microwave. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, anyway, cheers.